is our last calendar for a week. We're going to have spring break all of this week. That means you will not be coming to school. We'll count those days in just a moment. Let's talk about what today is. Today is Friday. Give me an F. F. Give me an R. R. Give me an I. I. Give me a D. Give me an A. Give me a Y. Friday. Friday, Friday. Jump and hop. 'Cause our school week is about to stop. Yay, Friday. It is a Friday. We are in March, and there's this number right here. This is our date today. It is the number 12. 12. So it is the 12th of March today. We know our pattern. It's butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. AABB. All right, now that we know it is Friday, March 12th, 2021, we are going to count how many days we will not be in school. We have spring break. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will be off 9 days, and when you come to school, it will be the 22nd, and we will see you back then. Our graph, we have extended our graph again. It was sunny, it has been cloudy, it has been such a gorgeous March so far. So today is Friday and the weather is sunny. How many words are in the weather is sunny? How many words are in that sentence? The weather is sunny. Good job. There are 4 words in that sentence. Let's start with our letters and sounds. J, ja, Z, z, F, f, D, d, Y, ya, T, t, R, N, S, s, I, Q, qu, L, O, E, K, G, G, A, H, M, C, K, U, W, V, P, B. Good work. All right, now it's time to put those sounds together to create the word. All right, H says h. O says ah. So we have h, ah, and P says p. H, ah, p. H, ah, p. Hop. Hop. Here is our word hop. Good. Next word is d. We know D says d. What do you say? And then CK is going to go k. Okay? D, k. D, k. What is it? Duck. There is a duck. Listen to my sentence and tell me how many words you hear. The horse, let's start again. I see the horse. How many words do you hear? I see the horse. There are 4 words in that sentence. All right, listen to this one. The pig is big. How many words do you hear in that sentence? The pig is big. I hear 4. The pig is big. What word is this right here? Is. Good job. The pig is. What is that first word? The. Let's spell it. T-H-E. The. So today we are going to find objects with the same last sound, the s sound at the end. So it says final S. So listen to these words. We are going to find words that have a S at the end of the word. All right, so let's get those arm slides ready. Remember, at the bottom, we want a S at the bottom of our word. If it is, then we'll add it into our house. We're looking for the words with the S at the last sound. All right, well, let's say house. House. Should I add it? Yes. Good. I'm going to add that to the house, to the barn. And let's see if this has a S at the end. Mice. Mice. Good job. I heard it. S. I see if dress. Dress. Does it have an S? Good job. How about goose? Goose. Good. Did you hear that? Mice, goose have the same ending sound. Good work. Horse. Horse. Good job. I heard it also. Mouse. Let's say it. Mouse. I'm going to add that one too. Mouse, dress. They both end in a S sound. Fence, fence. Should I add it? Good work, guys. And geese. We call these geese. Geese. Should I add them? Look at all of these. So how are all of these objects the same? Good job. They all end in the same sound. Not the beginning, not the middle, but the end of the word is all the same. All right, let's see. Let's go again. Good job. So I want you to think of one of these objects. I want you to pick two and you're going to draw them so we can hear that they have the same ending sound. Okay? We want that S at the end. So you can draw two objects. You can draw a house and a horse, or a goose and mice. Draw two objects with the same S at the end of the word. All right, that is all for me today. Thank you for joining me. You have a wonderful spring break, and I will see you guys on the 22nd.